It's MX Breakz, where we bring you all the updates in lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and around the world. Now let's jump right in. Ghanaian musician Black Sheriff has been talking about some of the silent battles he has been facing in his career. In a TikTok live video, he said he has been at war and has been going through a lot. In his own words, he says, people have pestered him, chased him to slash his throat. He added that he's not ready to talk about the details yet, but he will share his story soon. We have the video, so let's see it.
I've been at war, I've been back on Dean, I've been growing my hair, I've been running, I've been recording, I've been praying, I've been talking to my mom, I've been talking to my dad. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, and there's been a lot going on. And when it's all said and done, everybody go hear them. No one excluded. People where they pest we before, people where they chase we, people where they love we, people who want slash my throat, people where they chase my throat, want slash them, on God. I will come again, yeah? Love. I love you guys. Yeah, man. I love you guys.
Now, isn't that quite something to listen to? But whatever it is, he says when he's finally ready to talk about it, he will. But we're wishing him all the best. Moving on, award-winning Nigerian singer Asake has revealed that his dream is to collaborate with American rapper Kanye West. Asake, who recently sold out the 20,000 capacity O2 Arena, revealed in an interview with Billboard that the artist he has always wished to collaborate with is a 24-time Grammy winner Kanye West. Asake says he loves Kanye's energy and hopes God grants his wish. Let's watch the interview with Billboard News.
One too, came out good. So if you like me beyond the music, it's good. But like I need to connect to your music. I need to like the person I want to work with first. So it won't be like problem for me. There must be synergy.
And then okay, so now you got to tell me this: has there been somebody whose energy you've been like, I need to get on the track with them?
I've been saying this thing since, and I don't know if. Let's see. Maybe God will do it. Let's see. They can work. It's Kanye.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dude, that would be amazing.
Yeah, actually.
No, we got to make sure that happens for you. We're going to put that good energy into the universe.
Now, Ashake's smile is so infectious, and then he said he's hoping that he can hop on a collaboration with Kanye West. Kanye, if you can hear this, please hop on for our African superstar. Moving into the reality world, Kourtney Kardashian has thanked doctors for saving her baby's life. The reality TV star, who is 44 years, said she was rushed into urgent fetal surgery in which surgeons operate on babies while they are still in the womb. Her husband, Travis Barker, also posted he flew home from his band Blink-182's tour due to the life-threatening emergency surgery and is grateful it went well. Well, Kourtney, we're all grateful it went well. We wish you all the best. The couple have not revealed the nature of the surgery on the baby boy, but Godspeed, Godspeed. And now Drake has been drawing attention for his growing collection of bras thrown at him by fans. The rapper is currently on his It's All a Blur tour, and fans have been throwing bras at him during the tour to show their love for the artist. And Drake has chosen to celebrate this expression of fan appreciation. He posted pictures of the bras on social media to showcase the expansive collection of bras. The image shows him surrounded by bras of varying shapes, sizes, and colors. Another video shows two women unpacking the collection of bras he has received. Let's see it. But that is it for MX Breakz. My name is Yaa Bitha. Please follow me on social media handles at _Yaa.Bitha. And don't forget, there's MX Live, where we have in-depth information on entertainment discussions today at 3 p.m. So please do not miss out.